Good morning. It is raining here. I'm going to talk about this. I have my carbon monoxide detector. My one that's installed in my unit on my floor went off this morning. It's happened after it started raining. It's never gone off before. It's a good test. But I had that tester, the second one. I'm wet because I took Sami out, but she didn't do anything. So we're both. She's like, I have to go and I have to go now. Well, she gets out there and she can't. But anyway. So I got my tester out and it has been going off. So I'm trying to figure out. I've checked my stove, I've checked my propane tank in that I have for my buddy heater. I've checked it and I haven't small or grainy. I've checked it with the tester and it's just around the floor area. I don't know if it's residual now. Of course, I immediately opened the door when but it's raining so hard. I've got about this much standing water on my bottom step at the moment. I'll deal with that in a while. Now, see, that's sitting over there by the window. And it's going off. Not really sure. I went outside and I turned off my propane tank. Unless there's a leak in a line. Open this window up good. What's bad is it's raining. Oh, it didn't like that. Turn it off for a minute. I don't know if something in the air and the humidity is, or I have like some residual propane in the line since I turned off my tank. After it quits raining, I'm gonna do some more investigation. But anyway, right now, I've got all my windows open. I've got fans blowing. I have one down here on the floor blowing. I think I will get my big one and plug it in and get it just circulating the air out. I'll face it this way so it'll go out the window. Or should I bring it in from the outside? I don't really know. Anyway, our adventures won't start today until after the rain, which is supposed to let up by 10. So we'll see if that happens. Just finished uploading my video and got it scheduled and out to members. And for breakfast this morning, I'm still eating on this mangoes, the dehydrated mangoes, which I love. And instead of cashews today, I'm having chili roasted pistachios and some more Gouda. Kind of like yesterday, but I don't have any beef jerky left. But my little indicator, I have it kind of sitting down close to the floor because that's where my one carbon monoxide detector is. So I've just checked around the floor again. Nothing. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but sometimes when my propane tank goes out or runs out of propane, sometimes I can smell it. I don't know why that would be. But when I did go out there and turn it off, it feels empty. So I'm thinking that's what it is, and I'm thinking that the humidity is really keeping it. I don't know why I'm thinking that, but I'm thinking that the humidity is just keeping it concentrated or something. I think this is just a one-off kind of thing. We'll see. Later when it quits raining, and they say now that it's like 2 more hours. Let me put this back down on the floor. I just have it turned on. Oops, there went my cheese. I moved my cheese. Oh, and I'm having that really funky carrot juice. Gosh, I really wish it was just, I mean, I like it, but not like I like just carrot juice for breakfast because it gives it a twang. Anyway, what was I saying? Who knows? I would have to go rewind this to figure out what I was saying. Oops. Anyway, just thought I'd give you an update on that and show you my breakfast this morning. Well, I'm not having a very good morning today. I am taking...
Slight left onto Highway 35 South, South Bronte Street.
I'm taking Sammy to the vet because I was sitting in my bed this morning.
Continue on Highway 35 South for 1.5 miles.
What I call my couch bed. And I was enjoying some chocolate. And I set it down on the countertop, which is right next to my bed. And then somewhere in all that, there's carbon monoxide poisoning.
Incoming call. Press Uconnect phone.
Okay, I was getting a call. So I'm on the way to the vet. Anyway, what was I saying? I set that piece of chocolate there on the countertop and ate my breakfast and was thinking, oh, I've got that chocolate.
Continue on West Market Street for 1/2 mile.
On the countertop, and I look over there and it's gone. And I'm like, I don't think I ate it. And of course, she's sitting on the step. All she had to do was reach over there. Oh, thanks for the chocolate, Mom. And ate about probably an inch, maybe, if I recall correctly what I laid down there. I called the vet here, and they did say just bring her in.
In 1/4 mile, your destination will be on the right.
Right. So anyway, I'd rather be safe than sorry and not cause her any pain or grief, or that they can take care of it, and she won't have to go through anything if it causes issues. So anyway, I think I am here at the vet. I am, so I'll check in a minute.
I can't find it, but at least it's not horrible, right? Good.
You good girl? Oh,
No.
it's okay. You're gonna be all right, okay? Just make sure. We just need to make sure, because I just don't know. Chocolate was there, and chocolate's not there anymore. And I don't think I ate it. Here's okay. Really? What? You don't feel bad, do you? No? Are you telling me you didn't do it? She's saying, I didn't do it, Mama. I didn't do it. She don't feel good now. Okay, let me continue my story because I didn't finish it. They gave Sammy, we're actually going back to the vet and everything's fine. They gave Sammy a shot to induce vomiting and to see if she did eat the chocolate. There wasn't really any sign of like the piece of chocolate, or there could have been some color of chocolate in that. But anyway, TMI. So that shot made her really feel bad, and you could tell she didn't feel good at all, laying there on the ground, on the floor, and so it makes them really nauseated. So just in case she has already passed the chocolate, I'm taking her back, and they're going to give her some activated charcoal. And they do that. It's a thick liquid, she said, or some type of liquid. And they just put it on food, and then they usually eat it. If she doesn't, then they'll syringe it in. And they said they don't like to give it to people to take it home and do it because it stains everything really easy, and if they don't like it and they sling their face, they'll have activated charcoal everywhere. It becomes a mess, and so it's just easier to take her back. It's only about 7-8 minutes from here, and so I'm going to take her back. We'll just feed her, which she'll be happy about, I'm sure, and all will be well. So to kind of talk about my propane thing, I came back and turned on my full propane bottle, and I tested all of my connections around my propane tanks and all that. Everything's good. When I did turn on that other propane tank, I heard my hot water heater kick on. So I'm curious, I'm wondering if for some reason I did turn my hot water heater on this morning. If it did not, oh, there's a mobile RV parts and service van. If I did not, I mean, my understanding is if they don't light, it will not provide propane. Obviously, there's that safety mechanism in there. But what if that failed, or it's a one-off time that it failed, which is not good. So I went ahead and for my testing, turned the hot water heater off, let the camper just sit there for about 30-40 minutes. I did have my door open. I don't think I have my windows open. No. And so I could take my little test indicator, and down by the floor by my steps going up to the bed, and even in my little shoe compartment down there is where my reading it would go off. And so I just tested it, and I didn't get any readings. So I'm thankful for that carbon monoxide detector that's on board. I mean, I might have eventually smelled it, but if none of that happened, I probably wouldn't have left the chocolate sitting on the counter, and Sami wouldn't have eaten it, and blah, 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 blah. It's just been one of those mornings. So we are going to go, we're going to take Dawn and Ross, well, it's going to just be Ross, out to lunch today. Do I dare tell you where we're going? Do I dare tell you where we're going? Anyway, you'll find out. Might be a repeat, just saying. Are you okay?
She did great.
Did you do good? Okay, I'm having a deja vu. Yeah, we're back here. And y'all thought I was bad about Mexican food. Yeah. It's another sushi day. Every day is a sushi day. It's hot food.
Hot.
This is some kind of roll.
It's not a roll.
Oh.
It's just an appetizer.
Appetizer.
I think it's on a bed of whatever this is, like
Carrot
and radish, maybe.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
And that's cucumber. And these are spring rolls. My favorite. That's a whole bunch of sushi.
That's not enough.
That's not enough.
No.
I don't know.
So that has the
That's white. I
White
think it's
tuna.
white tuna.
Right.
Mmm.
I'm mostly a salmon guy, but
The white tuna.
Tuna.
is gonna
it's
be
good.
good.
Yeah. And I did get some sushi. I'm gonna probably take a lot of that home with me. So, but I did want a few, and you can't just buy a few. Now that's a lot of food too. This is a bento box.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Oh, more?
Thank you.
We don't have a big enough table.
Look at you.
Oh,
Isn't that
look
beautiful?
at that. Wow.
That's beautiful. So I bet that's the white tuna, right?
Oh, you got what?
Sushi, sashimi.
Yeah. That's a,
Tuna, salmon.
this is
whitetail?
shrimp.
Whitetail?
Or red snapper.
Or
maybe.
red snapper, I think you're right.
Oh, red snapper
Look
salmon.
at that.